What's up guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today I have for you a pre-owned 2013 Polaris Ranger 800 high output. It is fuel injected. Very nice machine for the year. Wasn't used a whole lot. You can see on the front here we got a big heavy duty bumper and a winch. Over to the side here we got some big old Kenda tires, some SS wheels. So not only does it make the machine look pretty cool, but it also going to give you a lot of traction. You don't have to worry about getting stuck. This is a four-wheel drive machine. It does come with net doors here, so it's going to keep you inside the machine. You got a polymer windshield and a polymer rear windshield, polymer roof. So aside from full doors, you're pretty much all enclosed. There's a light bar on the front of this machine, so you're going to see everything out in front of you. Very nice machine. You take a look on the inside of it. It's very clean. Not a whole bunch going on in here. It's nice and simple, but that's the way we like it. Not a whole bunch of stuff to go wrong. The machine does have a dump bed and a fully functioning tailgate, so you got two latches on here. A lot of people prefer that. It's going to be stronger than just a regular latch here. And there's your dump feature. Easy up, easy down. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take it for a ride and take it home.